write my name on it. Will you call when you're back at school? I remember thinking I had you, but I can see it's lost in the memory. August slipped away into a moment in time. It was never mine. And I can see us twisted in bed sheets. August sipped away like a bottle of wine.